Hi, in this session we will solve some more problems on periodic or aperiodic signals. So let us see the first problem. X of t is equal to sine square t. So let us see this problem. Find out whether this signal is periodic or not. If it is periodic, what is the period of this waveform? So for this purpose it is sine square t. So first we have to draw it as from trigonometry 1 minus cos 2t by 2. So which is written as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into cos 2t. So you have to draw both the diagrams of 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 into cos t and add both of them, you will get the resultant waveform. So you can check that how to draw these waveforms. Say this is 1 by 2 graph, as I explained earlier how to draw 1 or 1 by 2 graph. So this is 1 by 2 graph, so which is maintains 1 by 2 from minus infinity to plus infinity. So as you know that the cos waveform, how to draw cos waveform, you can see that at t is equal to 0, if we substitute t is equal to 0, cos 0 minus 1 by 2, so that means the cos always starts from, in this problem, the cos starts at a value of minus 1 by 2, so this value is plus 1 by 2. So we have to add these two signals. So we have to add to the signals. So that means add 1 by 2 to the positive peak and add 1 by 2 to the negative peak and draw the resultant waveform. So therefore you can check that. For this purpose, draw a vertical line 0, mention the dotted line as 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 line, DC line 1 by 2. If we add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it will become 1. So therefore 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, it will become 0. So that therefore the waveform will oscillate between negative peak will come down to 0 and positive peak will come to 1. So this is the nature of waveform 1. So this is the waveform. So you can clearly see that this is a periodic signal. This is a periodic signal. Remember that this is periodic signal. So you can clearly see that this is periodic signal, but its average value is 1 by 2. Its average value, remember that its average value is 1 by 2. For this signal the average value is 0. For this signal the average value is 1 by 2. So let us find out the period. So for finding out the period, we can check that we have to take this value. What is omega 0? So omega 0 is equal to 2. 2 pi by capital T is equal to 2. So 2 gets cancels out. You get T is equal to pi seconds. So this is the time period of this waveform. So this is the time period of this waveform. Okay. So simple model. So or otherwise, if you square any waveform, if you square any waveform, the negative portion will also come to the positive side. So which we have seen. So because this waveform consisting of negative portion, so the negative portion, any waveform if you square, the negative portion will come to the positive side. So therefore the entire waveform comes to the positive side. Okay. Now the second example, let us say second example, you can see x of t is equal to cos square 2 pi t. Cos square 2 pi t. In the same manner do that, how we have to write 1 plus cos 4 pi t by 2. So you can separate the terms 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 4 pi t. First to draw 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 cos 4 pi 2, let us add this. So this addition will lead to a periodic signal which we have seen. Just again I am drawing for understanding purpose. Say this is 0. So draw a 1 by 2 line. So this is 1 by 2 line which is extending from minus infinity to plus infinity. So add to this signal. So 1 by 2. If you substitute 1 by 2 cos 4 pi t at t is equal to 0, the amplitude is 1 by 2. Remember that the cos waveform will be like this. At t is equal to 0, you can clearly see that the amplitude is 1 by 2. So the negative peak reaches to minus 1 by 2. If we add both of them, so again previous case, add 1 by 2 to the positive peak and add 1 by 2 to the negative peak, the positive peak will move to 1 and the negative peak will move to 0. So therefore in this way you can draw this waveform. First let us draw the dotted line of DC level of our average value of 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now draw the waveform which is positive peak will move to 1 and the negative peak will move to 0. So this is the nature of waveform. This amplitude is 1. So you can clearly see that it is periodic signal. It is periodic signal whose average value is positive peak 1 plus 0 by 2. So the average value is 1 by 2. Now, so what is the frequency? Omega 0. Omega 0 is equal to 4 pi. So the frequency of this signal is 4 pi. So which is 2 pi by capital T is equal to 4 pi. So you get T is equal to 1 by 2 seconds. T is equal to 1 by 2 seconds. So in this way you can solve this problem. Let us see the third problem. So let us see the third problem, number 3. X of t is equal to 14 plus 50 cos 60 pi t. So how to draw this waveform? So therefore here the average value of this waveform is 0. The average, so this is 14. That means the resultant of this signal is the DC level of this waveform is shifted to 14. So this signal is a periodic signal. Just we have seen earlier 2 examples. So let us draw in a similar case. Or you can straightly take omega 0 is equal to 65 for this problem and you can solve. So I am drawing the resultant waveform of this 14 plus this. So first draw a line of 14 amplitude. So this is a line of 14 amplitude plus, so draw a cos waveform of 50 amplitude. So 50, so the positive peak is 50, cos 0 is plus 50. So therefore cos oscillates between this, for the given signal oscillates between plus 50 and minus 50. If you add both of them, first you have to draw a DC line. First we have to draw a DC line of 14 as we have seen in the previous cases. First we have to draw a 50 plus 14. So add 14 to the positive peak and negative peak. The positive portion will go to 64. I am drawing approximate graph. The positive peak will move to 64. So minus 50 plus 14. So that means the negative peak will move to minus 36. Something of this nature, approximate graph I am drawing. So you can see that this is periodic signal. You can clearly observe that this is periodic signal, but the average value is 14. Now, so what is the frequency of this signal? Omega 0 is equal to 60 pi. So 2 pi by t is equal to 60 pi. So you can get pi gets cancelled. So t is equal to 1 by 30 seconds. So this is the time period of this waveform. So let us do the next one, fourth problem. X of t is equal to, so e power minus j 2t. So what is this signal? This signal is complex exponential signal. We have discussed this signal. This complex exponential. This is complex exponential signal. So what is the nature of signal? This is a sinusoidal or oscillating signal of frequency 2. So therefore omega 0 is equal to 2. So 2 pi by t is equal to 2. So which implies t is equal to pi seconds. So this is the answer for this problem. So in this way you can solve any problem with by understanding these concepts. Thank you.